Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Ayush and I'm a trader. In this video, we'll analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week and we'll also judge how we can trade options based on those levels. Along with that, we'll discuss two indices which are on the verge of breakout which can do well. So now we'll go to the screen recording and one by one analyze them. So now starting with Nifty, you can see one thing which is very clear. In the last video also I have spoken that even if after a big red candle, if the market is not going down or if there is no follow through, then there are high chances that the bulls will try again. And in the last video we had a knack that the market can make a all-time high. Since the market has not made all-time high but currently it is trading at the exact previous all-time high levels, and I believe Bank Nifty yesterday's close, if you see Thursday, Bank Nifty gave a very good close above 48,500, which makes room open for an all-time high breakout in Bank Nifty and Nifty also. And one thing which has changed after a long time is Bank Nifty doing relatively higher or relatively stronger than Nifty, which is a good sign because if you see from 2023's bull market, all the sectors have performed, most of the stocks have performed, but private sector banks have not performed. They have been lagging from the very start, and now if that catches up, then we can see a good move in the broader indices such as Nifty and Bank Nifty, because ultimately HDFC Bank is one of the heavyweights in Fin Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So now coming back to the levels in Nifty, you can see one thing that whenever the market is approached the 22,500 levels, it initially gave a down move, but that down move didn't sustain and there was no follow through and we started going up. And one more thing which is very strong signal that the market will break all time high and trend upward is something which is looking like this. So if you see this four candles particularly, which are like tight consolidation happening at a resistance level, when such thing happens and a breakout comes, let's say tomorrow if we get a breakout or a gap up opening after about 22,500 and the market ends up closing about 22,500, then the chances increase that the market can rally. And the reason being is that before the rally or whatever all-time high breakout it is coming, one thing is very clear that the market has consolidated for nearly 2 months or 3 months if you see broadly. So within this range, the market on Nifty has been consolidating from December end. So last 4 months consolidation will give strength to the breakout in case it comes. And once it comes after the confirmation, anybody who's trading options need to trade with directional ways of trading, either it be credit spreads or debit spreads, or even if you are trading somebody who doesn't like to trade with spreads, you can trade broken butterflies where one side is fully capped and the other side there is loss. And one good part about options in general is that if you size your position initially well, let's say you start with 30% of the quantity which you initially want to build, you have the room to adjust the trade when it goes wrong also. So now coming back to Bank Nifty again, you can see that Bank Nifty has a very good structure for a rally and a breakout. Because if I have to mark and show you this level, which was the previous all-time high level, which was like 48,100 or 48,200, the market gave a breakout about this, and whatever happened last time due to HDFC Bank's result, this 4% or after that, there was no follow through. And every video of the last 1 month, if you see, I have been clearly telling that if there is no follow through on the downside, the market will ultimately go up. And in the last video we were having opinion that the market can break all time high. So this can be a start for something good in Bank Nifty, because generally if you see, this consolidation also happened then after the election results in December start, where BJP won 4 out of 5 states. The market initially went up but there was no much follow through, and again due to HDFC Bank's result, that rally somehow the party got disturbed. So if the party has to again resume, we just, if we simply see the length of this consolidation, it is upside 48,300 and downside 44,400, which makes a clear cut indication that if the breakout sustains, there can be a rally of nearly 4-5% minimum, and on a higher end we never know. So that is the thing about Bank Nifty, and I personally think that Bank Nifty is now going to relatively be stronger than Nifty, because if HDFC catches up and if Kotak, which has not performed in last 1 or 2 years, or even in from 2019, if you see, that has not been given too much return. So if that catches up, then we can see one way rally from private banks also. And one more reason why I am bullish on private banks is if you see Nifty private banks chart, like the private bank index chart only by itself. So you can see that this consolidation which has happened, this consolidation breakout has come. And one more thing is, within the breakout or within the range also, the market initially started going up. It made within the range a higher high, higher low structure. So if you see from like this, it went up, and then again, which in the last video we were like that if it consolidates on to near this level, it can do well. So if the market has to give a rejection, it wouldn't have given a breakout yesterday with the day's high closing. So whenever generally a range is broken and the market closes a day high, ultimately you will see that the next day, or if it is a Monday after the weekend, you will see a big gap up. So let's see how it works out. And once this level of 25,000 is crossed on private sector banks chart, then we'll have a new all-time high, and higher chances are that the banks are going to perform very well. So the other sector which is looking good to me is Nifty Healthcare. So if you see why I am quite bullish on this sector, or why I am predicting that the breakout can come, is first let's go back to the history and what has happened in last year around November time. So if you see like this level, the market has a consolidation and this resistance level where the market has tested multiple times, and after the multiple times consolidation also, there was some small tightness. Like generally I love this tightness which comes near all time high, where there is 4 5 days of pin bars or doji candles where the market is very indecisive, okay, whether it will go up or whether it will go down. So when generally this breakout came, the index from 9,900 slowly with initial consolidation went till 12,000. And if you see relatively March, in March or in the mid of the March, markets fell. Small cap index fell 10%, mid cap index also fell. Nifty Bank Nifty held themselves, but they were also relatively weak. But if you see this chart, whatever fall had come in March, not only it recovered, but it is looking good that if this level is broken, like let me just mark this level for you. So if this level is broken of 12,250 on the upside, you can see that whatever consolidation has happened within this range, healthcare index can start giving a new all-time breakout and it can do well. How will the view go wrong, or will the view get neglected, is below this 11,870 level. Below this level, if the healthcare sector's chart go down or the candle formation is down, then we can say that more consolidation is possible, but higher chances are that whatever small consolidation is happening, which has previously also happened here, if the breakout comes, it can do very well. So now that was our analysis generally for first Nifty Bank Nifty and even two of the sectors which are looking good, private sector banks and healthcare. Now coming back to talking something about election. In the end of this month or next month, we are going to have election. And one thing which is very clear from India VIX, generally if you see any of the previous general election, before the election the market are going to be bullish, but along with that bullishness, the VIX also goes up. But currently the market has acted no fear. Like if you see from the election point of view, the market is very clear that one government is going to make a majority win and they are going to win. Now the bet is whether the government is going to come with 400 plus seats or whether it is going to be less than 400. If it is one way, like where current government or whichever the government wins, they get more than 80% or 70%, that momentum will uphold. But after generally a election, the market has seen most of the time consolidation, or let's say correction with consolidation, which after whenever that level or all-time high level after that is broken, the market generally does well. So that was our analysis for this week, where we initially analyzed Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few of the sectors. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever there is a video uploaded, you can get a notification and watch it. Thank you.